You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want.
Hey guys, in today's video I will be telling about Office 365. You can create Office 365 for lifetime. This method won't patched, it's my guarantee. In this method you also don't need edu mail, but for this method, you must have a Outlook mail ID. For making Office 365, follow all the steps carefully. Let's get started. I will provide a link which will be in the description box. Open that link in any browser. Now for creating Office 365 account, we must have to create a new Outlook account. You can use any random name or any random letter and mail account, it doesn't matter. After creating Outlook Mail, you will be redirected like this. As you can see the pop-up message, we have to change the first name and last name. For that, you have to open the link in the pop-up notification. Now, click on the Add Name section to add first name and last name. You can use any random name of anyone, it doesn't matter at all. As you can see, we had successfully add the first name and last name. After submitting the name we have to wait for 2-3 hours to get updated the name from Microsoft side, so let wait for 2-3 hours, see you after that time. After 2 to 3 hours the name gets updated, and now follow all the steps carefully. Now we have to set up E5 subscription. For that, we have to select the region. As per your choice, you can use any random username and domain. Now we are so close to make account, just press on continue to go forward. You have to verify the account with your number. Now, just sit back and relax, just wait for a while and you will be good to go. Press on go to subscription for mail account. Now enter the password that you had already selected when creating account. Wow, you got the Office 365 instantly. Now enjoy. You can also add 25 people with your organization, because you are the admin, and you can also download Office 365 application to your PC for free. Please do subscribe to my channel for daily tips and tricks. In the next video I will be telling you about edu mail with 5 TB of storage with many more benefits, same like my previous videos, so do subscribe to get notified whenever I publish that video. Have an octastic day, peace out.